Okay, here is our second example. And here I have put part of our script, so to speak, onto the board. So we want to show again a sum of a series. I'm going to put that in a box. There it is. That's what we want to show. And some things we write in every proof. So we will always start off by testing n equals 1. So it's good to have this structure in your head. In this case, when we do that, we say left-hand side, well, in the first instance, is going to be 1 over 1 times 2. That's a half. Right-hand side, that's going to be equal to 1 over 1 plus 1. That's equal to a half. So we can write, therefore, true n equals 1. Then we always write, assume true for n equals k. And we write down what we want to assume. And what's that going to be in this case? In this case, we're going to assume that 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 up to 1 over k plus 1 is equal to k over k plus 1. Then we always write, prove true for n equals k plus 1, i.e. we want to show, and you think about what we want to show. You might want to pause this video and write it down. We want to show that 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over k plus 1 plus the next one along, which is 1 over k plus 1 k plus 2 is going to be equal to the same formula, but this time with k plus 1 instead of ak. Okay, same as the last time. We can use the above assumption. So the left-hand side here is going to be equal to, up to here, k over k plus 1 plus 1 over k plus 1 k plus 2. Common denominator, k plus 1 k plus 2. That's going to be k plus 2 plus 1, which is k plus 1 squared over k plus 2 k plus 1, I can just fit this in, is equal to the right hand side. Again, I wanted to show this on the whole screen. What have we shown? We've shown it's true for n equals 1. We've shown that if we can use this assumption here, that it's true up to k, then we get the same formula for k plus 1. So we can now write our conclusion, part 3, always the same. Therefore, if true n equals k, true n equals k plus 1, true n equals 1, therefore true n equals 2, 3, ... all positive integer n. Okay, very sorry about my messy writing, but I'm going to put a worksheet on below and I want you to try the 4 examples that I have.